Gold, the commodity everybody wants to own. A safe haven for investors when confidence in the markets is low. Gold is closely correlated with other assets like oil and the dollar, and that makes it the perfect commodity to trade as a binary option. Welcome to Binary Options for Beginners.
Like oil, gold is priced in US dollars. So the first thing you have to remember when trading gold is that it's very closely correlated with the price of the dollar. It's an inverse relationship, meaning that if the dollar goes up, gold goes down. It used to be that the euro and gold moved together. If one went up, the other followed. That correlation has totally fallen apart after the European debt crisis since 2010. When Europe finally pulls through and the problem of sovereign debt is resolved, I definitely expect this relationship to re-emerge.
The prices of gold and the US dollar move in opposite directions. When you see one move, be ready to trade the other.
Traders use gold as a hedge against inflation. If the US economy is underperforming and the dollar is weak, the market almost invariably turns to gold. It's a very predictable safe haven for risk-adverse investors. So if you see the dollar taking a big hit, the smart move is to place a call option on gold. The economies of gold-producing countries like Australia and Canada obviously do really well when the price of gold goes up. Australia exports around 14 billion worth of gold every year. The US produces a similar amount. So a rising gold price won't help you with the Australian-American dollar currency pair. They'll just cancel each other out. A down option on the Euro-Aussie dollar, on the other hand, is a very smart trade. Think of the Swiss franc the same way you think about US Treasury bonds. It's another safe haven asset for investors. The Swiss franc is backed by gold, around 25% give or take. So when gold goes up, the Swiss franc goes up, and vice versa. It behaves just like the euro used to before the crisis.
Gold has a fixed inherent value. It doesn't rust, it doesn't tarnish, and that's why people are drawn to it in an economic downturn. Thanks for watching Binary Options for Beginners. May all your trades be in the money.